Dear students, today I am going to teach you power and functions of the Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. Very brief I will teach today. Within 10 minutes I will conclude my lecture. First of all, I would like to teach you Prime Minister of India is very powerful person because in our country parliamentary democracy is there. President of India is nominal head, but Prime Minister is a real head. Prime Minister is known as sole de facto. De facto is French word meaning head of the nation is President of India, but real power enjoyed by Prime Minister of India because of democracy, because of parliamentary democracy is there. So 2-3 points are there that is very important. Each and every person should know this one. That President of India will discharge his or her duty according to the advice of Council of Ministers headed by Prime Minister. Like we can say that President will summon the House, prorogue the session, dissolve the Lok Sabha. All will be done by President, but basically reality is there. Council of Ministers will advise, and then only President will do like this one. Prime Minister will choose the minister and advise. Then only President appoints respective minister. Basically, if our Prime Minister Modi ji will suggest tomorrow कि Mahen sir will be my home minister, so tomorrow definitely I will be home minister in place of our respected Amit Shah. I will be home minister. Why this example I have given? Try to understand. Today very important news is there, and two changing taken place. I would like to mention here, then you will be very much comfortable. Arjun Ram Meghwal became new law minister and in place of Kiran Rijiju. Earlier Kiran Rijiju was the law minister, and law minister is known as Law and Justice Ministry, and it is a portfolio. Portfolio I have taught today. Portfolio means a responsibility or department. Meaning, if anybody will ask which portfolio enjoyed by respected Rajnath Singh, your answer will be there, defense portfolio. And now Arjun Meghwal became new law minister and Kiran Rijiju became earth science minister. And this decision has been taken by Prime Minister. Means Prime Minister will allocate the portfolio. Prime Minister will allocate the portfolio. Okay, and accordingly ministers will be appointed by President of India. I think very clearly you are understanding this one. One more point I would like to mention here. Prime Minister is a link between President and Council of Ministers. How? Our constitution lay down that it shall be the duty of the Prime Minister to communicate to the President of India about all decision of the Council of Ministers related to the administration of the Union and the proposal for legislation. A minister can't discuss any matter of the national policy with the President on his own. But dear student, it is a system, and by that system what decision had been taken by in council in meeting of the Council of Minister. Only Prime Minister will communicate to President. That's why he is known as a very important link between President and Council of Minister. Next, more important point, 2-3 more points are there. I would like to mention here. He is the leader of the cabinet, and Prime Minister is the leader of the Lok Sabha. As the Prime Minister is the leader of the majority party in parliament, and so he is said to be the leader of the house, and he is spokesperson of the government. The Prime Minister is the chief spokesperson of the government in the parliament. He makes all important announcements or on national policies on the floor of the house, defender of the government policies. So Prime Minister is real, and if suppose Prime Minister is speaking means on international forum means India is speaking. Now, Prime Minister represents the nation. When he speaks, the whole nation is supposed to be speaking through him. During the national crisis like war, even the opposition party support the Prime Minister. I think you know it is the nature of our parliamentary democracy. The Prime Minister decide what kind of relations India would have with other countries. The Prime Minister tries to protect the interests of the country in the international forum. He discuss matters of the mutual interest with the other leaders, keeping in the interest of the India in mind. So these are important points regarding Prime Minister of India. And now next topic, that is Council of Minister. Dear students, if I am speaking Council of Minister, meaning there are 3 type of ministers. First one, Cabinet Minister. Second one, Minister of State. And third one, Deputy Minister. Now, who is Cabinet Minister? Cabinet Ministers are very close to Prime Minister, and their number is very small, and they hold important portfolios, meaning important department like home portfolio, defense portfolio, rail department. So these are law ministry. These are known as important portfolio. I think portfolio is clear now. And one example today I have taught you कि Kiran Rijiju was the law minister. So it is also a portfolio. But now his ministry has been changed. His ministry has been changed, and now he has given a new ministry. Just now I have taught this one. So one more point regarding this one I would like to mention here. Individual responsibility and collective responsibility. If I am asking individual responsibility of the Council of Minister, your answer will be there. Each and every Council of Minister are individually responsible to President of India, because they will discharge their duty till pleasure of the President of India. So individual responsibility, clear, means all Council of Ministers individually responsible to the President of India. And what do you mean by collective responsibility? Collective responsibility means all Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to Lok Sabha. Meaning, if any Council of Ministers is there and against him, if no confidence motion has been passed in the House, it means entire cabinet will collapse. One more point I have taught you. If no confidence motion has been passed, entire cabinet will collapse. Suppose sudden death of the prime minister will be there, then also entire cabinet will collapse. I think you know what happened when our late prime minister Rajiv Gandhi, sorry, Indira Gandhi, okay, passed away. Assassination taken place, not passed away, sorry. Okay, so in that time, okay, whole cabinet collapse. So only today this much. Next day I'll come with another video. Thank you.